Hey everyone, so I just wanted to get on here really quick and show how I make my own. I've seen a lot of people make those gift card tags now where you can put like the cash in the little plastic thingy. But anyways, I've seen a lot of people asking, where to get the template from, and I make a lot of my own templates, but I mean, you can definitely Google the tags yourself. I want to say even like here's one right here, this yellow looking one, kind of the same, not really, but I just want to go ahead and show really quick how I would make one myself. So on Cricut Design Space, I would look for a rounded square because that's basically the shape of it. We're not gonna use that one, but yeah, so I would take this rounded square, make sure it's locked so I can resize it. I'm not even sure what the measurements are that people are using, so I'm just making this big for demonstration purposes. Then usually at the top right here, there's like a long circle, I guess, and then another little circle at the top. So, it hangs on the little hook at the store. So the way I would make that shape is, honestly, I would get another square. I'm going to turn that into a rectangle, and then I'm going to get a circle as well. So I would take this square. We're going to go ahead and resize it now. So let me unlock it so I can change it however I like. I'm going to change the colors too so I could be able to see everything better. So let's say this is the card. Let's say this is going to be the little tag thing. I feel like that's kind of big. Maybe not, but we're going to center that. So I still feel like that might be kind of big. It probably isn't, but yeah, let's go with that. Bring this back up. Now, this is 3.7 in height. We got to bring this down. Uh-oh. Is it 3.7 in height? It's 1.38. My bad. So we're going to bring this down to 1.38 so that it's the same. I'm going to line it up right here on the edge. 1.38. Not sure why that's not lining up. Interesting. Well, we're going to stretch this to make it fit. Why is this not fitting? That's so weird. Oh, that's why, because it's not the same on both sides. There we go. Gosh, that was so weird. Okay. So now we have that one on that side. Now we're going to duplicate it and put it on this side as well. You can still kind of see the edge right there where it's not lining up at the top and the bottom. So bring it over just a little bit more. There we go. So that you see that pink line, so that it's centered right on the edge. There we go. Now you kind of have that shape. We're going to make another one of these. Just put it up here for now. Take all of this right here and weld it together, so now it's just one shape. See that? So now we have our one shape to go right about there. We're going to take this other circle, put it about there so it's right in the middle. Again, we're going to weld this together too. Again, here goes the shape now. This goes in the center of our little tag. This can go in the center of our tag. And now that we have it made, we can resize it again. Because now, like I was saying, I thought it was kind of big. And I wasn't sure. There we go. Because, again, this is just for, aesthetics anyways. Sorry if you guys can hear my AC in the background. I live in Florida, and it is hot. There we go. So now we kind of have, as you can see, this is kind of what the tag looks like. Actually, bring it up just a tiny bit. There we go. Now that we have this, now we're going to slice this so it'll actually cut the shape out of the blue tag. And voila. I hope that helps.